this thing is a no-brainer. I am so happy that I have this lens. Now earlier when I was doing the little zooming, I was using the this little remote here. This is by JCC, and I got this from AliExpress. I know Fuji makes something like this, but it's like a grip. This one just happens to be just a little remote, and it has a couple different functions here. Just basically zoom in, zoom out, and it has a stop and start record. If you don't have this, don't worry, because the X app has it as well. As you can see here, you can zoom in. Let me just kick back real quick, and I'm watching myself right now. That's right. You can do this right through your X app. How cool is that? So if you guys have any questions about this lens, please leave those questions in the comment section, and I will be happy to answer anything that I can help with. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you on the next one.